Hi. Smarter Data Manager column naming is a feature that allows you to rename many columns across many sheets. In this video, you will figure out how to use Smarter Data Manager column naming to rename columns. To show how it works, we will take all the columns that have the name job and give them the new name task. Get into your SMCC account and hit Smarter Data Manager column naming to launch the feature. The first step: select the sheets that contain the columns you want to rename. In this example, I am going to select the following sheets that contain the column job. Let's go to the next step. Now, you need to select all the columns you want to rename. Every time you select one column, the other columns in the same sheet are going to be protected, and you will not be able to choose them. The reason is very clear: we cannot get two columns with the same name in one sheet at the end. Next, you set a new name and hit Send to Smartsheet. Good. Column saved means that it's done. Let's check the columns in my sheets. Awesome. Bye.